How to delete all unread emails on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Mail application on your phone. Once you're here, go to the top and tap on Inbox. You can view all your mails over here. Go to the bottom left corner and tap on the Unread icon. You can view all your unread emails over here. Then, go to the bottom and tap on Unread in the middle. As you can see, the Unread filter is on, and then tap on Done. If you want to delete these unread mails, then go to the top right corner and tap on Select. Then, select the mails you want to delete. After that, go to the bottom left corner and tap on Trash. You have now successfully deleted these mails. Following these steps, you can easily delete all unread emails on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.